So you live in a city and want to get into long-term preps? Okay, let's look at that. Before we get started, I want to tell you guys right now, I couldn't make these videos without the support of my Patreons. If you'd want to support the channel, there's a link in the bio. Becoming a Patreon is only $3 a month, and that's a hell of a lot cheaper than a lot of things that you'll spend money on these days. So here's the situation. You live in the city. You don't have a lot of storage space, and even if you did have lots of storage, so you may be asking yourself, what just happened? No, it's not a trick. Two things, guys. One, I told you I move into Rumble, but I'm not going to leave you hanging. I've put a compilation video together of my trip to New York City for your viewing pleasure to see what kind of craziness happens in that town. Yeah, that's right. I did it just for you. Yes, there's a full video on this exact subject on my Rumble page. Link is in the description. All right, let's look at some New York stuff. But yeah, definitely go watch the video on Rumble. Central Park. Can they make a movie about this place?
I think it's a couple.
I know this is going to make you jealous, but I had to send it to you since you can't be here. This is Central Park. Yeah, that's it. This is, what's your frickin' name again? It's there. I made a little word thing that you tell me to do when I can't remember people's names. All right, back to the walking. All right, so this is Times Square. Biggest TV screens on the planet. Yeah.
Oh, up there's the ball.
Yep, there's the ball up there. That's cool. Feel like fucking tourists. This place is wild. It's for sure. This place is wild. Dow, down, NASDAQ down. S&P down. The world is ending. Make sure you stack your shelves. Yeah, there it is, Freedom Tower. Look at that. Boom. Nice. Lots of sirens. Lots of sirens. Not a fan. Truck. Times Square down there. So if you've made it this far, I think you're clearly interested, and you should definitely go to the Rumble page. You should definitely do the TikTok thing. And of course, you need to be part of this community. Go to my Patreon. Link is down below. $3 a month. It is a hell of a lot cheaper than buying stuff off my Amazon page.